Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for today's story. So, without delay, let's begin. Rohan and Vikram were two sides of the same coin. They grew up in the same neighborhood, shared a bench in school, graduated from the same engineering college, and eventually landed identical jobs at a tech firm with the exact same salary. To a casual observer, they were equals, but their visions of the future were worlds apart. Vikram believed that to be successful, one had to look successful. He spent his monthly paycheck at high-end boutique. He wore $500 Italian leather belts, branded jackets with prominent logos, and watches that cost 3 months' rent. He spent his weekends at luxury lounges, nurturing his image. By the end of every month, his bank account was a desert, but his wardrobe was a palace. Rohan, meanwhile, lived in the same modest apartment they had shared as students. He wore plain, unbranded clothes that were neat but unremarkable. He spent his salary on high level certifications, private business coachings, high performance hardwares. He spent his nights building a software prototype, working until his eyes burned. By the time they reached 35, the gap had become a canyon. Vikram's obsession with brand had backfired because he had never grown his skills for his wealth. He remained stuck in the same entry level position. When people saw him in Gucci loafers, they didn't see a mogul. They saw someone trying too hard. Ironically, because his lifestyle didn't match his reality, people began to whisper that these expensive clothes were likely fake, brought from a street market. His brand had no foundation. Rohan, however, had launched his startup. He had become a recognized name in the industry. He was the brand. One afternoon, they met for coffee. Vikram arrived in a designer blazer, looking polished but weary. Rohan arrived in a simple black t-shirt and jeans. Vikram looked at Rohan's plain attire and sighed. I don't understand, Rohan. I spent a decade trying to look the part of a leader. Yet people treat my style as a joke. They think my original brand are knockoffs. But you were wear a $5 t-shirt. And next week I see the interns trying to tuck their shirt in the same way you do. Why does everyone copy you? Rohan smiled gently. It's simple, Vikram. You focused on wearing the brand, while I focused on becoming the brand. When you have no substance, even a real diamond looks like glass. But when you are the diamond, even a simple stone you carry is treated like a gem. My style is copied because people respect the men inside the cloth, not the logo on the chest. And the small statement of Rohan made Vikram realize the mistake he did since long. And that moment only Vikram took a determination that now he will stop chasing brands and work on self skills. And he started devoting quality time for self building and understood the true way of nurturing self. So this is all about our today's story. Hopefully you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please don't forget to share this story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Let's learn the moral of the story also. What we learned from today's story. We learn that invest in your essence, not just your appearance. A brand is not something you buy and put on. It is the value you build within yourself. When you become a person of substance, your lifestyle becomes the trend and your character became the label. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel, and hopefully you all must have enjoyed the story. We'll meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.